Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize risk-adjusted returns with Lockheed Martin Corporation. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize risk-adjusted returns with Lockheed Martin Corporation, begin by conducting thorough research on the company's financial performance. Analyze Lockheed Martin's historical stock price movements and volume patterns to identify trends. Examine the company's earnings reports to assess their revenue growth, profit margins, and overall financial health. Consider the industry landscape, focusing on competitors and market conditions affecting defense and aerospace sectors. Calculate key financial ratios, such as the price-to-earnings ratio and return on equity, to evaluate Lockheed Martin's valuation compared to peers. Review expert analyses and market forecasts to gain insights into future growth prospects and potential risks. Develop a diversified investment strategy incorporating Lockheed Martin, balancing it with other assets to mitigate overall risk. Monitor geopolitical events and defense spending trends that could impact Lockheed Martin's contracts and revenue streams. Use option strategies, like covered calls, to generate additional income while holding Lockheed Martin shares. Regularly reassess your investment thesis, ensuring it aligns with performance updates and market conditions. Set clear investment goals and risk tolerance levels to guide your decision-making process. Utilize financial tools like risk assessment models to quantify potential impacts on your portfolio. Stay updated on regulatory changes that could affect the defense sector or Lockheed Martin. Engage with analysts and financial advisors for expert opinions on Lockheed Martin's future. Adjust your portfolio periodically based on performance metrics and alignment with your investment strategy. Implement stop-loss orders to protect your investment in case of significant market downturns. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize risk-adjusted returns with Lockheed Martin Corporation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.